Lesson 45, Three-Dimensional Figures. A flat surface of three-dimensional figures is called a face. An edge is where two faces meet. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure whose faces are all polygons. A vertex of a polyhedron is a point where three or more edges meet. The face that is used to name a polyhedron is called the base. A prism has two parallel congruent bases that are polygons. The remaining faces are parallelograms. Pyramids. One base is a polygon, and the remaining faces are triangles. Other three-dimensional figures include cylinders and cones. These figures are not polyhedrons because they are not made of faces that are all polygons. A cylinder has two parallel congruent bases that are circles. Bases are connected by a curved surface. A cone, one base that is a circle, a curved surface that comes to a point. Example 1. Describe the bases and faces of the figure, then name the figure. There is one base, and it is a triangle. There are three faces, and they're triangular. So the name of this figure is a triangular pyramid. Example 2. Describe the bases and faces of the figure, then name the figure. Even though this one is tilted, the base are hexagons. The front and back this time are the bases. And there are 6 rectangular faces because all the faces are rectangles and there's 6 of them. So the name of this figure is a hexagonal prism. Example 3. Classify each figure as a polyhedron or not a polyhedron, and then name the figure. The faces are not all polygons, so this figure is not a polyhedron. The name of this figure is a cylinder because it has 2 circular bases. Practice, Part 1. Describe the bases and faces of each figure, then name each figure. Remember on number 2, the bases are in the front and the back. Practice Part 2. Classify each figure as a polyhedron or not a polyhedron, and then name the figure.